CISA taught me explore your possibilities. My current occupation, I work here at Wild Horse Ranch Rescue. Here I work with the wounds that we get on the horses, so treating them medically, I administer medications. Having that support system like ASU gives you, it's very helpful moving forward into a professional degree.
I'm Rachel Reed and I studied organizational leadership. I work for Learning Enterprise and I am a learner success designer, which largely means I look at the quantitative and the qualitative data that comes out of our huge open scale courses. CISA was a place that valued and cultivated the learner no matter the industry that they wanted to pursue. The faculty would really help you test out your ideas and what it is that you think that you want to do and how you could go about finding the right way to be plugged in after graduation to the industry itself.
ASU helped me experience what I want to with animals. So working with Arizona Fish and Game or working at the Phoenix Zoo and different aspects of veterinary medicine. Being able to go out in the field and get hands-on is way more helpful than anything else.